Your app has one database, one config, one logger. So why does your code keep spinning up 5 copies of each? This is the singleton, the pattern that says one instance shared by everyone. Let's actually understand it. JS Patterns. Episode 1. First, the problem it solves. Say 3 different files each need your config. The lazy way, every file just calls new config. Now you've got 3 separate objects. File 1 flips a setting. File 2 is holding a different copy, so it never sees the change. The state drifts, you waste connections, and you get bugs that make no sense. The singleton fixes this with one rule. No matter who asks or how many times, they all get the exact same instance. One object, one shared state, one source of truth. So how do you enforce it? A private static field holds the single instance. Then, inside the constructor, before building anything, you check, does an instance already exist? If it does, you return that existing one. If not, you save this as the instance. That single if statement is the entire pattern. Every new after the first just hands back the original. And getInstance is the cleaner version. That nullish assign means create it once, then reuse it forever. Don't take my word for it. Prove it. Make A make B, both with new. Check a triple equals B, true. Same object in memory. Set a flag on A, read it from B, and it's already there. That's the whole point, one shared state. But seniors warn you for good reasons. A singleton is global state wearing a class. On a server, that one instance is shared across every request, so user A's data can bleed into user B's. In tests, state leaks from one test into the next. And every get instance hides a dependency or function never declared. And here's the twist. In modern JavaScript, you often don't need the class at all. A plain module is already a singleton. The spec guarantees it runs once, and its variables are shared by everyone who imports it. Same guarantee, half the code. So reach for a singleton when one shared instance is a real requirement, not just because a global is convenient. Use it on purpose. That's this pattern. Beyond code karma. I'll see you in the next one.